What's going on, guys? So right now it's Thursday. I'm about to go get a haircut, get these waves back. Kind of see them right here. My waves is coming back. Lit. Woo! Came out with the crispy chicken. Damn, my forehead big as hell. I'm bald. I cut my hair off, guys. I'm bald. It's like, nah, I just got a big ass forehead. Damn, that shit sharp though. What's going on, guys? So we're on our way to this show event that's called Ratchet Friday. So it's gonna be like a car show, but it's mainly for people who race their cars to see their times. So I'm on my way now to go meet up with my boy JR. He has a Subaru WRX, bagged, looks very clean. So that's what I'm about to go do right now. Hopefully I don't run into a lot of traffic. I'm already running late. All this traffic, guys. Look at that. All this traffic. Jesus Christ, we're stuck. Alright, guys, so we made it out to the show. Look at that. Don't worry about that. It's just a little paint chip. God. I'm out here, guys. Here's my boy's BRZ. He turboed it. Super clean. Alright, guys, so I got to the meet. And I left my fucking camera battery for my Sony A7 at home on the charger. I'm super sick. Like, I went to get shots and I fucking forgot the battery. That's what happens when you're rushing and not paying attention. So you'll be only getting video from the actual vlog camera. Underglow game on point. Fitted. JR Whip killing it. Fitment lifestyle. Hey. Son got the right hand drive. Skyline. It's tough. When do you see this every day? Two Asian dudes in a Subaru hotboxing and playing club music. This is your one chance only.
Has everything you need. Now I'm putting on my CFO hat because I can't overspend. Right now, buy 2, get 1 free on all 10 ring cases.
Yeah. I need to get my lighting set up like this. That's a clean ass EM1 right here. Alright, guys, so I'm on my way to the car show right now, getting gas. And we're on our way. Got the Ronin with me, so we lit. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo, I'm sick as hell. I put the new lip on, and I fucking broke it. The shit went flying off on the highway, yo. And I told myself, I'm like, yo, bolt it up under the bottom, because if you don't, that shit's probably gonna come off. Me being lazy and rushing, what I do, didn't bolt it up on the bottom. I did the sides, but I just didn't do the bottom. That shit came off, went right under my car. Gone. First day. Gone, guys. The shit is gone. Fucking, that shit's still attached here on the sides. Shit. Alright, about to set up the Ronin, got it all steady. About to get this gimbal going. Auto tune it. Look at that, guys. That fitment. Alright guys, so I got a little bit of footage. Not too much, but it's enough. About to go back again. So, just checking out more cars. Had to come back to my car real quick. Alright guys, so I'm about to catch this dip, but I'm about to get some photos from my car feature page, which is highlyofficial.tm. Check it out on Instagram. See some of the photos on there. And yeah. S2000's over there looking crazy good. Ronin in my hand. That's mint. Look at that. Makes me miss my 8th gen. That right there makes me miss my 8th gen. Goddamn, we had the same front end and everything. Alright guys, so I got a good amount of footage. About to head off home. It's cold as shit. It's not much going on, so I'm out. See you guys in a bit. Yo, this Mustang, right? I wish I had my vlog camera out. Alright, so basically, he was on the opposite side of where I'm going. So he needed to be on my side. So I guess he seen me coming, so I guess he wanted to show off. And he basically fishtailed it into the spin. You know what I'm saying? Like, so he basically did a fishtail into a K-turn. So instead of doing the K-turn, he did a fishtail and spun the car around. Alright. So you can see that he did the fishtail, but the fishtail kept going. Like, so he's basically trying to catch it back. Like, bro, don't try to play it, nigga. Like, you know you was about to lose it in that goddamn Mustang. I don't want to hear it. You was about to lose it. But, yo, the show was pretty small, but I actually got to meet a lot of people today, so that was pretty dope. And that's what car shows is about. You know what I'm saying? You get to meet people, talk to them about their cars, talk about your cars, you know, shit like that. I find that so dope. But surprisingly, a lot of people gave me a lot of love for my car. You know, being that, like, it has camber in the rear, you know, some people may not like it, some people may shit talk it, but for the most part, I got a lot of love today. Like, a lot of people came up to me and gave me nothing but love about my car. And like I said, that's what it's about. See that road that I just showed you guys? That's the road that I fucked up my first front end on. They finally paved it. When I came here on Friday, I was so surprised that it was actually paved. I will let you guys go, but I need to go. Too pink for you guys. Alright guys, so I just washed the S2000. See, it's all sparkly and stuff. Your boy did his thing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's been a compilation of a couple days into one vlog. So yeah, there's the S2000 looking sick, looking very clean, fender to lip fitment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.